for artist, painting bright skies. B is for baker, making sweet pies. C is for chef, cooking yummy food. D is for dancer, moving to the groove. E is for engineer, building tall towers. F is for firefighter, brave in strong showers. G is for gardener, planting green trees. H is for hairdresser, styling with ease. I is for ice cream maker, scooping with cheer. J is for juggler, tossing balls in the air. K is for king, leading with pride. L is for librarian, books by her side. M is for musician, playing guitar. N is for nurse, helping near and far. O is for optician, caring for sight. P is for pilot, soaring in flight. U is for queen with the sparkling crown. R is for racer, speeding through town. S is for scientist, making cool potions. T is for teacher, sharing emotions. U is for umbrella maker on rainy days. V is for veterinarian, helping strays. W is for writer, creating a tale. X is for xylophonist, tapping a scale. Y is for yogi, stretching with glee. Z is for zookeeper, caring for bees. Come back soon for more and more. Our alphabet adventure has so much more in store.